Okay, now it's time for the workshop portion. If you're watching this at a corporation or a school or a charity or anywhere really, and there's a couple people watching this course with you, then I want you to please do this portion. Or if you don't have people around you that you can practice presenting with, then do it yourself, record yourself, and then send it to me. Send me an email, okay? My email is charoun, that's charoun at gmail.com. Send me a link. Send me your YouTube video, and I'll give you my very humble feedback on how you present. Okay, so in terms of this workshop exercise, bear with me for a second. The only source you're allowed to use for this presentation that you're going to create and show your friends or each other or me is Wikipedia. Okay, use Wikipedia only. There's going to be three things to focus on, the power of three. The first one is, what is the bottom line? Okay, so after every slide that you have in a presentation or every bullet point in business in the write-up or an email, always ask yourself two words. So what? So make sure you come up with the bottom line. Okay. The second thing I'm going to be looking for is passion and your delivery. Quite often, again, the best companies are not the ones with the best products, but they're with the ones with the best salespeople, the people that can present with passion. Okay, so really focus on a passionate delivery process, and again, have fun with this. And then lastly, of course, the content. Content has to be great as well. Those are the three things. All right, so everybody must speak. If you're doing it in groups of people, maybe have a couple of people per group, you can speak for 4 minutes maximum. Okay, less is more. Okay, try to get your point across in under 10 slides. Okay, 4 minutes maximum per group. And I've been doing this in the business school class I've been teaching for a long, long time, and it works exceptionally well. Actually 6 slides maximum per group. I usually say 10 or less. That's fine. You only have 15 minutes to prepare. So if you want to do this, pause me, and then you got 15 minutes to prep for this. But before you go, the topics are as follows. Okay, you can pick one logo from this to present. Okay, and if there are many people in the class with you, or the corporate setting, or charity setting, or whatever it is, make sure that no two teams cover the same topic. Okay, and have a lot of fun with this too. Try to present with only a couple bullet points per slide or pictures per slide. Pictures work exceptionally well, which is why Pinterest is very successful. Think USA Today versus The Economist. USA Today is just more pleasurable to read instead of small font and those big words that I don't understand. Okay, great. So I want to finish up this portion of the presentation workshop with Obama. Okay. And again, this is not a political class at all, but I want you all to please do this. This is really, really important. Pause this video, go to YouTube, and do a search on Obama speech at DNC. Okay, DNC. It was a speech he gave in 2004. It was the best speech of the entire campaign then, even though he wasn't running. And without it, he probably wouldn't be president. But it is amazing how he presents. He uses hands a lot. He makes eye contact with many. He pauses as well. Check it out, please. It's about 5 minutes, and it's really worth your time. Because without incredible presentation skills, he probably wouldn't have been president. The same could be said for any politician, to be honest. Okay, so 140 character class recap. Remember, less is more. So the presentation rules are as follows. Keep it simple. Less is more. Be passionate. Watch experts on YouTube. Take videos yourself. Critique yourself. And practice more than you need to. And just have fun with the whole process as well. Thank you very much.